Friends, welcome back to Panikar's vlog, Nothing But Life. Time is the most precious thing in this world. It's an integral part of life. Life teaches us the value of time, and time teaches us the value of life. Different people have different perception about time. It is very interesting to introspect the same. There are normally four types of people. Number one, people who waste time. Number two, people who always look for the right time. Number three, people who claim they don't have enough time. Number four, people who utilizes time to the fullest. People who waste time. First of all, we have to understand that we can't waste time. Time is stationary. Only we come and go. So, it is not the time we are wasting, but we are wasting ourselves. Friends, no one can give justice to life if they have the tendency to waste time, because time is what life is made of. One thing is sure, this life and time are passing us, and we cannot go back and regret about what happened. Charles Darwin once said, "A man who dares to waste 1 hour time has not discovered the value of life." There are still many people around us who doesn't believe in all this. Telling such people not to waste time is a waste of time. People who always look for the right time. A typical example of procrastination. They contemplate too much about good time, right time, and ideal time, etc. But the fact is that whether it is a good time or bad time, it is the only time we have got. There is a beautiful Chinese proverb which says, "The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now," which explicitly means there is no time like present. People who claim they don't have enough time means they claim they wanted to do something but unable to do due to lack of time. This is just a myth and inaccurate at best. "I don't have time" has become our new catch-all phrase for everything we simply don't want to do. It's all about priorities. It's all about how we master our time. If you don't do this, it's of higher probability that you will become an unconscious slave of those people who have mastered theirs. For example, if you want to get into better shape, what need to be done is start doing workouts. And what need to be given up for that is going to bed late so that you can get up super early. Hope you understood this. People who utilizes their time to the fullest. These are the smartest people. They have these two realizations. Number one, a day has 24 hours only, and an year has 365 days only. Nothing more, nothing less. Number two, they all agree to the point fully that humans are mortal beings, and whatever to be achieved need to be achieved in this lifespan only. If you take that one thing which is common amongst all the greats in this world, are they all value time. They know very well that time is an important factor for achieving anything. In other words, by wasting time, no one has reached to that legendary position. Friends, we observe many things happening around. But the problem is, we don't equate those happenings with the time. Time too passes along with all such happenings, but we don't value that passage properly. Let me give you an analogy to explain this. This happened in one of the interviews. There was a panel of interviewers who called one of the candidate to a room and told the candidate, "Hi gentlemen, we are giving you this task. You have 2 minutes. Take a good look of what is kept where in this room. Observe everything, but don't touch anything." They allowed the candidate to be inside that particular room for complete 2 minutes, after which they told him to wait outside. They called him back after 10 minutes and asked, "So tell us, what has changed in this room since you visited last?" Candidate took a look around, tried to compare everything with the last image he had in mind, could not figure out anything, and finally he gave up. After which one of the interviewers answered, "There is one thing which has changed. Time. Time has changed, my friend." Friends, the only reason why life has no pause button is because time never takes holidays. That is the brilliance of time. Thanks for watching. Wish you all the best.